Hello students, welcome back to my maths videos. In today's video, I will be covering how to solve determinants using the Sarrus method. The Sarrus method is a simpler and an easier method of solving determinants compared to the conventional method. Now in this video, I've assumed that the students viewing this already have an existing knowledge of solving determinants using the conventional method. So let us start by writing the name of the method. And the problem statement. (315) minus 2 minus 2 3 minus 4 5 and 7. Now in the Sarrus method, let us take column 1 and column 2 and write them down next to each other again after the problem statement. When I solve the problem, you will understand why I'm doing this. I will also take two different colors to mark the different signs. From the top left to the bottom right is the positive, and from the bottom left to the top right is negative. Now let me mark the diagonals out here in the problem statement. So let's start with the positive sign. So with the positive sign, plus, open the brackets, you have 3 into minus 2 into 7. That is nothing but 3 into minus 2 into 7. Next we take plus minus 2 into 5 into 5, then plus 4 into 1 into 3. So let me write that down. As minus 4 into 1 into 3. This is finished. Close the bracket. Then we take the negative, which is nothing but, let me first of all mark the diagonals for you. This one, this one, and this one. So when we take the negatives, we have 5 into minus 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into 5 into 3 plus 7 into 1 into minus 2. So let's write that down. 5 into minus 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into 5 into 3 plus 7 into 1 into minus 2. So that completes the solving. Now we have to simplify this further. 3 into minus 2 into 7 is minus 42, plus minus 2 into 5 is minus 50, plus minus 4 into 1 into 3 is minus 12. And then negative, you have 5 into minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 40, plus 3 into 5 into 3 is plus 45, plus 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. So when you simplify this further, you have minus 104 minus 71, and you get a final answer of minus 775. This is your final answer. Sorry, not 775, it's minus 175. That's the final answer, minus 175. As you can see in the Sarrus method, there is not an issue about the confusion of the signs. So you just have to follow these rules and there is much less confusion, and the number of brackets are lesser, so it helps you solve the problem faster. And also this Sarrus method going forward will help you solve unknowns using the Cramer's rule. In the next slide, I will also show you briefly the conventional method and where I have observed students to go wrong, which you can avoid using the Sarrus method. So let us write down the problem statement again. Now, in the conventional method, the very first step is to write down the position signs. Now, let us start solving it. So, you have first one, the plus 3, plus, and then the 3 in that position. So, plus 3. And then the minor, which is this one. Then you have the negative sign, which is minus, of this one, which is minus 2. So you have the next minor. And then you have the next position sign, which is plus of minus 4. So now I will just solve this very briefly, though you will see that you will obtain the same answer. So this comes out to be 3 minus 14 minus 15 plus 2, 7 minus 25 minus 4, 3 plus 10. So your final answer, when you simplify this, is still minus 175. However, you have to take note that keeping note of these position signs is very important. There are a lot more brackets involved in the solving using the conventional method. So hence, there are a lot more chances to go wrong. Though both the methods are correct, there are a lot more chances to go wrong in an exam setup, especially when you have limited time, as this requires more concentration. So I hope students, this Sarrus method will help you solve determinants in a much more easier way. In the next slide, I will just summarize the advantages of Sarrus method for your benefit. So number 1, there is no confusion of signs in the Sarrus method. So what I mean by signs is the positive and the negative signs. And number 2, it will help you solve unknowns using Cramer's rule. So I hope students, you have understood the concept of solving determinants using the Sarrus method. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box. You can also send me an email at cnsrinath54@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational maths videos. Thank you.